Hi everyone, I am Danny, one half of Bright Light Education. In today's Ask the Expert session, we will be tackling an 11 plus maths question. So get your paper and pencil ready and off we go. Here's the question for you. The question says, tap X can fill a bath in 12 minutes. Tap Y can fill a bath in 6 minutes. How long will it take to fill the bath with both taps running at the same time? First, I think, have a go. Press pause and have a go yourself. See if you can work out the answer. Okay, let's have a look and see how we could solve this question. I've got 4 questions for you to give you a hint. In 1 minute, how much of the bath will tap X fill? Tap X can fill a whole bath in 12 minutes. So in 1 minute, what fraction of the bath will tap X fill? Similarly, in 1 minute, how much of the bath will tap Y fill? Once you know how much of the bath tap X and tap Y would fill in 1 minute, what about if you put them together, because the taps will be running at the same time? So in total, how much of the bath can be filled in 1 minute? And once you know that information, the final question is how long will it take to fill the whole bath, which is the original question. Again, have a go using my hints, see if you can work out the answer. Here's the solution. In 1 minute, how much of the bath will tap X fill? Well, in 12 minutes, they'll fill the whole bath. And therefore, in 1 minute, they'll fill 1/12 of the bath. In 1 minute, how much of the bath will tap Y fill? Well, in the same way, it takes 6 minutes to fill the whole bath. Therefore, in 1 minute, 1/6 of the bath will be filled. In total, in that 1 minute, tap X will fill 1/12 of the bath, tap Y will fill 1/6 of the bath. Therefore, if you add those both together, you can find out how much in total, how much of the bath can be filled in a minute. So 1/12 plus 1/6, let's use our equivalent fractions and convert 1/6 into 12ths, nice and easy. 1/12 plus 2/12 makes 3/12. Therefore, in 1 minute, 3/12 of the bath will be filled. Now, we want to find out how long it will take to fill the whole bath. Well, if it takes 1 minute to fill 3/12 of the bath, how long will it take to fill 12/12 of the bath? Because, of course, 12/12 of the bath is the whole bath. If 3/12 is 1 minute, well, of course, 12/12 will be 4 times that amount, which will be 4 minutes. Hope you understand. Who we are Bright Light Education. We are a private tutoring business run by Charlotte and Danny. We run Bright Light Education courses, comprehension courses, creative writing courses, 11 plus preparation courses. We offer one-to-one tutoring as well. There's a lovely quote, and these are some of the courses that we offer. Please do get in touch if you would like to know more. You can find our details here. Thank you so much. I hope you found that helpful. Goodbye.